Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called The Mountain of Clay from the book 23 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The Mountain of Clay. Out in the wilderness where winds burst away, we are all creators today on a mountain of clay. The mountain can be atrocious with its heightened surface, but we keep pressing on until the day we're gone. Our nests up high in the trees above, the winds toss and turn its branches and trunk. Our nests shake upon the storm at night, but we still remain because we're eagles who soar and don't take flight. The clay is moldable to our disguise. We shape it the way we want upon the mountain of clay. We stand tall, affirm out loud. Even if we waver, we still consider we've survived it all, despite the turns and falls, all according to the inexplicable laws. We call this time-space a mountain of clay. We are the change to transform today. Although the turns and detours won't lead us astray, many sights and experiences to chase away. This is our life. Stand and relax. Don't hold back in the pottery and clay. Look above. All the answers lies in the one who created the skies. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful to be able to read to you. I am grateful for my home, and I'm grateful for my family. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.